Welcome back, students. In this lesson, we take how to use column in yqarch plugin. I want to copy this because I want to use more times. Let's start. Go to yqarch plugin bottom. We take these tool of column. Our first tool is rectangular column. Go to bottom tab, size to insert your column size. (0.2, 0.4). Fill in state type yes to fill your column. Click on the area of placing column. Round the column to get the way you want. Click. Click. Our next tool is circular column. These are the shortcuts of column. This time we use shortcut, type ZZC, enter. Select your diameter of column. 0.5. Click the position you want to place. Our next tool is L-shape column. Insert the size of column. Click the area of placing column. There is a mistake. Oh, just we done it. Our next tool is T-shape column. Insert your size. Then place the position you want. Last one of column plus or X-shape column. Insert the size. Last tool of this lesson is arrange columns. Insert the size. Select the entire grid lines, then enter. We done it. See you next time.